Hey, it's Andy Bricks, and here I am, a bit trembly, a few days late. Actually picked this up on, I paid for it finally, last payment on the May the 4th, and it was the end of the day. I said, look, I'll come and pick it up tomorrow, even though I wanted to do a May the 4th video with it. So we've got the UCS Millennium Falcon from 2017, I think, last year, 75192. There's no brick count on it, so... Oh, hang on, that is the brick count, and it's got a different set number, I'm sure of it. Anyhow, when we had word that this was coming and I would have a chance to lay by one, before anything even started, I stipulated that mine must stay in its shipping box, and yeah, not a big ask. So that was done. From what I can gather, out of the 10, 2 people lay-byed them, and one was in a box, and one was this one here. So, unfortunately, the manager that gave away my boxed one no longer works there. Left a couple of weeks ago. But, yeah. But luckily, I've just got a phone call from them, and they said, we've got our second shipment of these. You're more than welcome to bring yours down and swap it. Because $1,500 is a lot of money. And you want your box to be as tidy as possible. Now, I think the front panel is okay, apart from one little mark there, but it's not too much. But, it's that mark there that bothered me. It's quite noticeable. And another one, where's your finger? Just there, a little bit harder to see. No, the light doesn't, but yeah, you trust me, it's there, a little tiny mark. But, you know, you can't sell it as mint if it's not. Little bit of a fold on the back. I'll spin it around so we can see all that. Yeah, but this was the worst one. The bottom of the box was just looked like it had been pushed from one end of the store to the other, and that is not what you want. Not when you're paying that amount of money, you know. So a lack of communication. Look, the marks here. Not much, but, you know, enough for me to be able to, you know, not say mint. But what a fantastic thing. We just, for my family, and for others out there that don't know, but more so for my sister, you can get an idea of how big this box is. It's, you know, forearm just about length. So fantastic. I wonder why the set number's not on the front, because I'm sure that's the piece count. It's got me puzzled. But yeah, let's do this. So What a fantastic box. The art is amazing. Blasting out from Cloud City. The boys in the cockpit and the girl. But yeah, I just, having this sitting on my table, I've seen stuff that I didn't see in reviews. Just, you know, paying more attention to detail, I suppose. Wasn't too happy about the guns that make up that little bit of, you know, workings underneath the surface. I do like how they have built these. Oops, sorry, got my finger on the button. I've zoomed you everywhere. I don't even know where I am. Hang on, sorry about that, folks. But yeah, just those little bits. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. Now I don't know if I'd love to build this, but oh, we've got a hitchhiker. So this end of the box, which is the open end, because it has a little green circle with your box cutter knife in the circle, indicating you to open this end first, which I thought was pretty clever. Super shiny box. So you guys know the minifigs that come with this. Not enough. And these chaps aren't exclusive anymore. So where are we going? Didn't quite weigh as much as I'd participated. So there's the back of the box. What's that, hun? Anticipated. So we've got, as you'll see there, the front of the Falcon's got some extra bits just here, and it shows you that they are put on with the new dish after the blowing up of the second Death Star lost them the round dish, which probably, you know, imagine honking through hyperspace with this big thing catching air. I just don't get how that, you know, it always used to bother me that, man, that would just get ripped off. And we've got people at the door, so I'll see if I can pause this.